Mad Mars car is back with another one. Y'all see Lala in the background. Ooh, she about to come to the house. Hey, man. But Lala's so clean, but I can't even cap, bro. Hey, I gotta get y'all some B-roll right fam, bro. Say, bro, I'll get no break, bro. I'm putting through the car. This car, he's got $12,000 put into it, bro. I'll put at least 12 in here, bro. No exaggeration, no cap. It's like I got about 12,000 in it. No cap. You get that thing? Come on, man. Hey, man, look, just look at it, y'all. Come on, man. Stop playing, bro. Come on, bro. Nobody do. Like I said, ain't nobody doing it like this, bro. Going through the whole car, man. We in Atlanta, Georgia, bro. I don't know nobody from where I'm from who just went through one of these. Man, I don't know nobody from where I'm from just went through one of these like that, bro. Like, and this is my first bill, bro. So y'all can imagine how the other one's gonna be. This is my first bill, bro. Come on, bro. See the grill. Custom grill. Y'all been tuned in. Y'all know when I got this. That thing light up, boy. It is. Custom 79 grill. All going on. My car on the booth. I'm a fat boy. You feel me? I know what's going on. Hey, Lala. Hey, man, look at Lala, man. Tell them folks. Hey, man, them folks going through the whole box. Look at Lala. I showed y'all the grill. The grill go in there. See them headlights? I got new headlights already too. Man, look at them ballads, bro. Look at them. Got new headlights out there already. You know what I'm saying? LED. LED. You feel me?
She's solid. I know I came on to tell you now I came here today. I ain't fucking called me about 5 months. It's the same carburetor. That's what the carburetor is on it.
Grand Prix.
Yeah, no side.
G-Body.
Why I say about that carburetor, because when I got in it, when I lit up off the gas, it'll shut off. It wasn't doing that. That's how I know it's either going out, but by being 86, you know, the original carburetor on there.
That ain't bad at all, ain't gonna lie.
So I got the
T, it look really good. Right up. Right up.
I had a lady that worked for the DMV and run the bins to make
What you think? Flow solid. Solid too. Like ain't no water got nothing.
who's gonna be driving?
You know, so probably Ball gonna probably buy the car, but I'm about driving too though.
You ain't get no rain.
You said it what?
You gonna funk it out, ain't
You ain't get no rain.
Yeah, we deal with the old school.
you? You know, me 12 years ago, I had a broke one.
Yeah.
Yeah. They made but a few on it.
Yeah.
I got it to my uncle that first broke him. I got it to my uncle in Mobile.
Back season, man.
All your stuff.
Yeah, man. Like I say, man, that was gonna be a little project car for me, but man, I was flipping, went into it at one time, then I just came to a stop. I really rather see that. I rather see somebody doing something with it than just sitting back here, you know.
It's solid though.
Yeah.
Good start.
I put brand new drill and sliding rollers on there. What else I did with it? I had to put the rear end up, you know.
Yeah, I see you put a pot in there.
Yeah. And pipes in there, they turn down right before the back wheel.
The rear end too.
Yeah.
I see. Yeah, man, it's another day, man. It's time to go and get going on this shout bed, bro. You feel me? I ain't gonna lie, I probably just take this to the house and try to do everything myself. Give y'all some DIY videos, you feel me? For real. That's probably what I do. Take it on to the house. Try to go through as much as I can myself. The engine runs, so I ain't got that problem unless I just upgrade the engine. But yeah, gonna get this going in this shout bed, man. Like, all this gotta come out. Pull everything out. Yeah, it wasn't electric. I made electric on, you know what I'm saying? Gotta do the other side. But yeah, gotta get going on this baby here. But I love these steering wheels from back then, bro. I don't know what it is. I just like how they shape, bro. Like, yeah, man, shout bed. Alright, I ain't gonna tell y'all how I'm I ain't gonna tell y'all how I'm gonna do this. I gotta stay tuned in, bro. I need a windshield. Trying to see if I'm gonna get the brain blowed or make straight glass up there. No, man, I gotta stay tuned in on Fat Boy.